Alright, that's in the last video. Alright, so since these are both cube roots, I'm going to think of that as a cube root of the whole thing. So I prime factorize that to a 3 and a 3. This is a 3 and a 5. So I'm going to write that as cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Times x squared times y to the 6th. Alright, so now this 6, y to the 6 is really like 6 y's, so that's two groups of 3. So that's a y squared on the outside. 3 3's is going to be out on the outside. And then it's going to be left with a cube root of 5x squared. There's that first one. Alright, so if I could, I would, for this one, simplify inside the radical first. I cannot, there's nothing to simplify. So I'm going to simplify the top and the bottom. 8 is like 2 times 2 times 2, and 9 is like a 3 times 3. And then that y to the 5th is like 5 y's. So I'm going to think of it like this. So I have the triple 2's. So I have 2 cube root of x over y cube root of those 2 3's are still there. I'm going to leave them like that for a second. And then I still got 2 y's, so y squared, so y times y. Now to complete my triple, I need to multiply by the cube root of 3y. That way I'll have a triple of my 3's and a triple of my y's. I'm going to do the same thing on the top and the bottom. So now we've got on the top 2 times the cube root of 3yx all over. The y was already there. And then we got my triple y 3's and my triple y's, so that's a 3y on the bottom. Well, I got a y times y on the bottom, so I'm going to write that as a y squared. Final answer.